y'all.
Highs in
I
the
think they're
lower
about to tone it too.
Tornado watch number 6 remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time and now includes the following county: Williamson, Tennessee. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent.
Here we go! Tornado watch.
Websites that you're seeking will also help you if you're having trouble downloading it.
This watch includes the following counties: in Tennessee: Bedford, Kennet,
Dang it, I forgot to turn this thing on.
Grundy, Marshall, Moore, Rutherford, Warren, and Wilson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid changes.
Crap!
Listen for later statements and
I had it on the wrong freaking weather channel. My Senji didn't activate at all.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tornado watch number 6 remains in effect until 11
Here goes.
Central Standard Time.
Here goes the FM.
The following county. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 7, effective until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Tennessee: Bedford, Kenning, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Marshall, Moore, Rutherford, Warren, and Wilson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Piss.
The following county: Williamson, Tennessee. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable.
Right.
That was out of nowhere.
Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. For tested during actual emergency, official messages would follow the alert tone. This concludes
During severe weather, are you serious?
the alert system.
FDR.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cumberland County in Middle Tennessee, DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, Northwest Durham County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Warren County in Middle Tennessee, White County in Middle Tennessee, Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 12:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:32 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Smithville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cookville, McMinnville, Sparta, Smithville, Woodbury, Spencer, Algood, Monterey, Baxter, Pleasant Hill, Doyle, Dowelltown, Liberty, Centertown, Hampton's Crossroads, Acres Crossroads,
Let's check out
Falls
this.
State Natural Area, Burgess Falls State Park, Rock Island State Park, and Center Hill Lake. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 267 and 300. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee.
This is Jennifer Sanchez. I'm the manager over Steve Street Thrift Stores.
Tornado watch number 6 has been allowed to expire for the following county: Williamson, Tennessee. Tornado watch number 7 remains.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, hello. We actually had a slight today, and it was actually a very boring event. So we only got a total of like 3 or 4 alerts today. under a slight, and they immediately started getting issued as soon as it left my area. And which, guess what, ladies and gentlemen, it was a bust. So this video is going to be called Bust the Video. I don't know, but goodbye, guys. Thank you guys for watching.